Hey guys, the purpose of this video is to show you how to access Office 365 so that you can access the class notebook via OneNote. The first thing you want to do is copy and paste the URL that I provided in the class blog. Then you will log in using your Cobb County email address, your first name dot last name at students.cobbk12.org. You may be prompted to log in again. If you do, just provide your same login information. Once you get to this page, you're looking for OneNote, which is the purple icon, and then go to Shared with Me. And you should see any digital notebooks that have been shared with you. The one that Mrs. Leek has created for her class is labeled AP Language, Period 7, Fall 20, and Miss Starch would have her class notebook listed here if you are in Miss Starch's class. Click on your digital notebook to open it up. So the first thing you're going to see is the welcome letter. Take a few minutes just to read over the welcome letter, which outlines essentially the purpose of our class notebook. On the left side of the screen, you're going to see 4 tabs. The 2 that concern you the most right now are going to be the content library. So if you take a look at the content library, you will have 3 folders. Each of these folders will contain the writing instructions. So if you are directed for the day that we are working in our writing folder in the digital notebook, then you want to go into the content library, into the writing folder to get the instructions for the assignment for the day. If you click on Drafts folder instruction, what you'll see now is the first assignment, which is your summer reading draft assignment. So you can essentially think of the content library as a place where your teacher will store handouts. In this space, you cannot modify, you cannot edit, you cannot add to anything in the content library as the student. Underneath the content library, you should see a folder that has your name on it. So click on that section. And what you'll notice is that underneath your name, you have corresponding folders that match the content library. Where in the content library you have a folder indicating the instructions, if you're writing for the draft for the day, then you're going to place your assignment in the drafting folder, right? So you should see the corresponding folder from the content library in the section underneath your name. So since our first writing assignment is the summer reading draft in the drafting folder, you're going to click on the drafting folder and title this 818 Summer Reading Draft. And you're going to copy and paste your summer reading response. What I want you to note here is that I'm not concerned about MLA format. I'm not concerned about perfection. This is a draft, so think of it as such. Please don't make any changes just yet. You will be going through the editing process over the next several days. So just copy what you've written, and you are actually all finished. So once you have posted your assignments here in the digital notebook, it is automatically going to sync, and I will be able to see any submissions that you have created in your notebook on my end in the teacher view. So it's pretty user-friendly. Don't be alarmed if you have a delay. Sometimes it can be a little bit glitchy, but just be patient with it. I would encourage you here at the beginning to go ahead and take pictures once you submit your work. That way, if you have any questions or concerns, then we can have proof that you've completed your assignment. But at any rate, let me know if you have any questions, and have a good day, Raiders. Bye.